Hey guys, I got Pool Guy Steve. I got Pool Guy Steve with me today, and his new employee Xavier. He's out here checking the eBike Flux. Pool Guy Steve just took off down the street on the Simple Glide, the 630 Simple Glide. Man, he is cruising. Let's hope he doesn't crash that thing. Xavier's down here on this end saying, man, this is the first thing he said when it took off. He said, wow, this is great. This is cool. Most people do, right? The first time people get on an e-bike for the first time, they are like, man, this thing's amazing. And then they end up buying one. Yeah, I'm not trying to sell anything today. I'm just trying to let these guys have a good time. What's that? Yes, it does. He says it's got some giddy up. I love introducing e-bikes to new people. Yeah, he'll probably want to spend his lunch hour here just riding bikes. Where'd Pool Guy Steve go? Oh man, he is straight up gone. Oh, there he comes. Hey, if you're in Sarasota County or Manatee County, make sure you look up Flow Pool Services because he is great at taking care of people's pools. Look at him go. Cool, huh? He says it's crazy. Yeah, Flow Pool Services. Contact Steve if you're in Manatee or Sarasota County. They maintain your pool. They do maintenance on pools. They do everything about pools. So great guys. They don't build them, though. There goes Xavier again. Hey, here at eBike Reviews and Ventures, we're always having a good time. Yeah.
Wow, so smooth this going.
Yeah, it's super nice. And comfortable, right?
Feel no wobbly.
You don't. It's very stable, isn't it?
Yeah.
Hey, this has Pool Guy Steve's approval here. He seems to like it. How do you like that chair?
This is very comfortable.
Sweet, isn't it?
This is more comfortable than my truck.
They are going to make a change to this seat because the armrests are a little too low. They are going to make that change. I think at the beginning of the year they're going to have taller armrests for people.
I mean, I don't know the purpose of the armrest.
To rest your arms when you're tired. Look, if you're a senior, which you're not yet, yeah. You get tired and you need to rest your arms sometimes. So yeah.
But this thing, it takes off. Like it's got a lot of
torque,
acceleration and torque right off the bat.
It spins the tire really.
Yeah,
Xavier, what do you think of that one there?
I love it, man. It's a lot of fun.
Is this your first e-bike?
No, it's not.
Okay, so you've ridden it before?
Yeah, but this is one of the best ones I've ever ridden.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Hear that eBike? It's one of the best he's ridden. It's great for people with kids, you know, because he's got those little seats in the back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right on, man.
Put your nephews on it.
Hey, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right, guys, one more shot at the number here, Flow Pool Services. Make sure you give them a shout. Sarasota, Manatee counties. They will take care of you. That's going to be it for this short video. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly and ride safe. Woo!